What's the meaning of counterfeiter? Counterfeiter. Counterfeiter.
Counterfeiter. Counterfeiter. A counterfeiter is someone who creates fake copies of something, usually for the purpose of deceiving others. Counterfeiters often target valuable items, such as currency, artwork, or luxury goods, and create replicas that appear to be genuine in order to sell them for a profit. However, these fake items can have serious consequences for both individuals and businesses, including financial loss, damage to reputation, and even legal repercussions. In short, counterfeiting is a form of fraud that can have far-reaching and damaging effects on those affected by it.